JavaScript Array Methods, Part 104 of 715. Welcome to our deep dive into JavaScript's Object.prototype.toLocaleString method. While often overlooked for generic objects, it plays a crucial role in internationalization for more specialized types. At its core, toLocaleString is designed to return a string representation of an object, formatted according to the conventions of the host environment's current locale. However, for a plain JavaScript object, its default implementation simply falls back to calling the toString method. This means it will typically return a string like object. The real power of toLocaleString emerges when built-in objects like number, date, array, or bigint override this method to provide genuinely locale-sensitive outputs, handling things like number separators, date formats, or currency symbols. You can use this while our example shows its default behavior for a generic object. The true use cases for toLocaleString are vast in internationalized applications. Imagine displaying currency values with correct decimal and thousands separators, formatting dates and times according to regional preferences, or listing array elements with appropriate delimiters. It ensures that your application presents data in a way that is natural and understandable to users worldwide. Time to understand the code in detail. First, we start by defining a simple JavaScript object named item with a couple of properties. Then, here, we call the toLocaleString method directly on our item object. For a plain object, this will invoke the default Object.prototype.toLocaleString. Then, we also call toString, for comparison, demonstrating that for a generic object, both methods yield the same result. Finally, we log the result to the console, which for this generic object will be the string object. And there you have it. The Object.prototype.toLocaleString method. Remember, while its default behavior for a plain object might seem basic, its true strength lies in how other built-in types leverage it for powerful, locale-aware data formatting. Keep this in mind for building truly global applications. Next part 105 715 coming soon.